Have you ever imagined your mobile phone camera gets detached from your mobile like a spaceship and flies like a drone, take pictures of you and come back inside your mobile phone again? Yes, a popular mobile phone brand, Vivo, has announced a new technology today. Vivo has said that this upcoming new technology mobile phone will have flying camera mechanism. Mobile phone will have two batteries inside them. One battery is for the mobile and another battery is for the drone inside the mobile phone. Drone inside the mobile phone will have 4 wings because it is a compact mobile drone and it has to fit inside a mobile phone. Vivo say drone will be just of 10 cm tiny length to serve the flying camera requirements. Tiny drone will carry 2 cameras. One camera is for the top view and other main camera is for the focused front view. Company also said that there will be customization for 4 cameras also. Well, I guess they will launch mobile with 2 cameras as a normal version and mobile with 4 cameras as a pro version. Till now, everything is fine about the idea here. But since it is a tiny drone, a question may arise. What if the drone gets stuck under the trees or hit on any objects? For this, Vivo has provided 3 infrared sensors for the tiny drone, and these sensors will detect any obstacles coming on the way and will automatically avoid accidents. These infrared sensors will also detect how much distance the camera travels from the mobile and in what angle it is flying. All this information will be also captured by the sensors to the mobile phone. If this mobile phone comes into the market, the people who are going to be excited about this mobile phone is the Insta Reel creators, the Facebook Reel creators and the TikTokers. Already with the normal cameras, they perform lots and lots of stunts in different angles. If this mobile is out for sale, I guess these creators might make insane reels. And the company says this mobile phone is going to be very useful for the bloggers, vloggers and travelers and the person who love adventure, trekking in the mountain and so on. Price of the mobile is not yet announced by the company. Let's see how they price the new piece of tech. Just think of the future. If everyone has a flying camera mobile, trend of taking pictures and videos will change insanely. Comment your thoughts and opinion about this in the comment box below. Hope I have served some interesting things in this video. We'll see you again in the next interesting video. If you want to know what's happening around the globe, consider subscribing my channel. Cheers. Bye bye. This is Harish from Scroll Something New.